Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to do a very quick drawing of some lavenders. I saw this drawing somewhere and I'm gonna try to add my own touches and see how it's gonna turn out. So these are some of the tools that I need for this drawing, and I'm just gonna prepare the stuff. The only thing that's different in this drawing is I'm going to be using some Q-tips, obviously alongside a canvas and paint and brushes. So let's get started. I bundle up 2 sets of Q-tips and I'm going to go ahead and create the lavenders just randomly like that. Go ahead and dab the paint on the canvas just like that, in a motion where you can create the lavender shape. I'm using a purple tone here, and I'm just go ahead and I'm just adding the paint like that. And this is for the second lavender. There's no right or wrong way of doing this, so just use your imagination and your instincts in creating this piece, or any piece for that matter. Now I'm just going to add some brown tone to it. I don't really have a color palette in my mind, so I'm just doing this completely randomly. And let's see how it's going to turn out. Well, this is basically how it looks. I forgot to film the part where I did the other 2 lavenders and the grass, but yeah, that's how it turned out. Now, just for some final touches, I will just go ahead and add some leaves like that. I think this drawing is very fun to create, and it would be very much exciting for kids to try it as well, or for beginners who are interested in drawing but they don't find themselves as very much confident. Like I said, there's no right or wrong way of doing this. Just use your imagination and your own thoughts in creating the piece the way you want. As you're watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Also, don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the final result. I am not very satisfied with it, but honestly, I would recommend it for beginners to give it a try. It would definitely boost their confidence level and help them create more art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And until next video, I'm gonna see you guys again. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.